Does your automatic transmission feel like it is randomly slipping out of gear or shifting incredibly harshly out of nowhere? You could be dealing with trouble code P07AC, which indicates that transmission friction element F is experiencing a performance issue or is stuck completely off. This is a generic powertrain code that applies to a wide variety of modern automatic vehicles on American roads today. Your automatic transmission is a highly complex piece of engineering that relies heavily on internal friction materials, similar to a manual clutch to grab and hold different gears. The engine control module and the transmission control module work together to direct pressurized automatic transmission fluid through specific valves to engage these friction elements at the exact right millisecond. When a main computer detects that the specific internal component designated as friction element F is failing to engage properly, slipping, or completely stuck in the off position, it throws this serious warning code. The symptoms are going to be extremely noticeable and potentially dangerous on the highway. You will likely experience highly erratic shifting, abnormal shift patterns, a severe lack of torque, and very uneven handling. You might also notice a puddle of bright red automatic transmission fluid leaking underneath your vehicle. The causes for this slip code can range from very simple maintenance issues to catastrophic internal damage. The most common culprits include an extremely low transmission fluid level, worn-out internal friction bands, incredibly dirty fluid, or water damage to the transmission wiring harness. Surprisingly, something as simple as driving with mismatched tire sizes, installing one brand new tire with 3 bald ones, or having wildly different tire pressures can cause the wheels to spin at different speeds, confusing the computer and triggering this transmission slip code. To start diagnosing this in your driveway, your absolute first step must be checking your transmission fluid. Hold the dipstick while the engine is warm, and make sure the fluid is full, clean, and bright red. If it looks like dark coffee and smells burnt, you desperately need a fluid and filter service. Next, walk around your vehicle and verify that all 4 tires are the exact same size and properly inflated. Crawl under the car and look for the main electrical junction connector plugging into the transmission. Because of heavy road vibrations, this plug can rattle loose or become saturated with leaking transmission fluid, causing electrical shorts. If topping off your fluid and checking your tires does not immediately solve your shifting problem, it is absolutely time to call a tow truck and get your vehicle to a certified transmission specialist. Rebuilding internal friction elements requires dropping the entire transmission, tearing it apart on a bench, and replacing countless tiny seals. A professional mechanic can run an advanced pressure test to see if the internal clutches are truly destroyed. Never ignore a major transmission code like this. Get checked out early to protect your wallet. Drive safely and take care of your vehicle.